Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Realme C33, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly, you need to open your control panel and disable the Wi-Fi. Then enable just mobile data and find here portable hotspot. As you can see, I have no this feature here, so I need to add it. So I need to click on edit pencil button, then click and hold hotspot and drag it to upper part of the control panel. And as you can see, now I have hotspot here. And by clicking on it, hotspot is enabled. Great. And if you want to set up your mobile network hotspot, you need to open settings, then settings, network and internet. Here choose hotspot and tethering, and here choose Wi-Fi hotspot. And as you can see, here we have hotspot password, so disable it to set up. Here we have hotspot password. We can set another Wi-Fi password, for example, but your password needs to contain 8 symbols. For example, QWERTY, Y, 1, 2, 3. Okay, great. And great. What we can do? We can change security type. For example, VPA2, it's better VPN protocol, VPA protocol. So I suggest to use VPA2, VPA3 mode. You can use VPA3 mode, but all this device might do not disable this Wi-Fi network. VPA2 is not to save, but you can use it too. Okay, so I suggest to use VPA2 and VPA3 and okay, max connection. We can set up max limit of connections to our network. We can hide our network while least mode, and here we can set up connected users. And that's it. Now when hotspot is set up, so here we can enable our hotspot when we want, where we want, and use it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.